In this video, I'm going to show you how to automatically update apps on iPhone. So first, let's head on over to the app library and let's search for the settings. So click on settings and let's head on over to the App Store. So first, let's find the App Store in the bottom right here. So as you can see, there's the App Store. Just click on App Store and it will take you to this portion right here in the automatic downloads, where you can see the app updates, which automatically installs new app updates if you turn it on. So if you want it turned off, you can click on the slider right here and it will turn off. And if you want it to turn on, just click on the slider again and it will turn green, which indicates that it's already on. So you can also um, if you're on cellular data, you can choose to allow app downloads, which you can set if you want it to be over 200 MB or always ask. So for me, it's always allowed to download an app in cellular data. So that's about it. That's how to automatically update apps on iPhone. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments and I'll do my best to help you out.